Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how I colored my hair using the Madison Balayage kit. So if you want to see that process, then just keep on watching. I'll be using the Lightworks Balayage highlighting kit in Sorrento Cool Vanilla, and included inside is instructions and more information to help guide you through the process. So this is a two-step system, and first you create highlights and then afterwards you tone them. The back of my hair is dark, so to help it blend better with the rest of my hair, I'll be coloring in that area, and I'll also be coloring some of the top as well. To start off, I'm pouring all the lightening cream into the lightening activator, and then I'm going to put on gloves and place my finger over the opening and shake the bottle in the direction away from me. When it's completely mixed, I poured it on the wishbone applicator's bristles, and I make sure that it's fully saturated. Using medium-sized sections, I applied the hair color starting at the middle and bringing the V downwards. However, this did not work out good for me because my hair was so curly, so instead I did a different method by saturating the ends and then bringing some of the product upwards to still achieve a highlighted balayage effect. So again, I started in the middle and brought the V downwards, and I made sure that my ends were fully covered. Then I brought some of the color upwards and I blended it. Lastly, I did a few lines so that there would be dimension, and then I blended it in for a nice gradient effect. Then at the top, I picked out random curls and I applied a generous amount of the product, and I didn't apply it to the roots. I just left about 2 inches out, and then I blended it upwards so that there would not be a harsh line. If you have a lot of shrinkage, then having your hair stretched out will make for a smoother application, plus having it slightly detangled will make separating sections much easier, and as you can see, having my hair prepped this way makes a huge difference. After fully rinsing my hair out, then I apply the bond building cleansing treatment, and this basically strengthens highlighted hair and it also rebuilds hair's internal bonds. And I just massaged this in my roots all the way to my ends, and I just made sure that it had a nice lather, and I left it on for about 3 minutes, and then afterwards I just rinsed it out. Next, using the Toning Glaze Haircolor Cream, I'm going to squeeze all of it into the Toning Glaze Activator bottle, and then I'm going to shake it up to mix it. I absolutely love the dimension and shade I was able to get, but now I'm going to work on the tone. So I apply the product focusing mostly on the colored areas, and then I smooth it in. Afterwards, I put my hair in a bun, and then I put on a shower cap, and I left it in for about 20 minutes. So these are my final results, and I really love how much my hair has lifted. Honestly, this is the best at-home box dye that I have ever used, and I would definitely recommend checking it out. So if you want to see a full review, I'll leave the link for that video down below, plus a coupon code as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this to be helpful. And if you want any more information, then just check the description box below. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!